In this video, we are going to see how to detect vertical elements. First of all, we are going to hide the drawing. Now we set visible only the illumination points and vertical signs. As we can see, now all the objects to be detected are clearly distinguished. To perform the detection, we first have to create the element definitions. We create 3 element types: vertical street lights, pole lights, and vertical signs. Now we perform the automatic detection process. We use a resolution of 5 centimeters. As we can see, there are some errors and elements that have not been detected. This happens because of the discontinuities of the scan. Let's eliminate the erroneous elements. We open the list and locate the elements. Delete and accept. Now, with the Fit tool, we are going to manually mark the missing objects. We use the same resolution, 5 centimeters. We already have the vertical elements marked and our drawing. Now we are going to export the detected objects. We can export a CSV with all the attributes or a pun with the coded points. The code will be the type of element. In this case, we are going to generate a pun. Now, from the CAD, we have the drawing loaded. If we go to the code database, we see that we have already defined the codes of the objects that we have detected. Finally, we import the PUN file with the option to draw codes activated.